What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, today we are going to make Mad Maxine a little more rowdy with I just ordered these Dynomax Bullets 3-inch. The reason I'm changing is I have Hooker Max Flows on there. I like those pretty well, but they were more quiet than I expected them to be. So, and they hang really low. And the other night I was pulling into a garage. I have this little, it's probably a 2-inch lip they have to get up over, and they usually just barely just nick it, but they grabbed it the other day and pulled the exhaust off. So what better time to go ahead and change the mufflers out, and let's see what it looks like, and see what it not really looks like, but see what it sounds like. So right here's a clip of what it sounded like before. Alright, so I'm going to get down here and cut this exhaust off now. We'll get it all welded up, and I think I'm going to paint the X-pipe this time. Once I get it all welded back together, and then we'll see what it sounds like. So you guys stick around and watch this time lapse, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Well, it's the next day. Yesterday, I was working on the exhaust, as you saw, and I just couldn't get it to fit the way I wanted to, so I just got frustrated. I went inside and said, forget it for today. So I'm back at it today. I think I've got a plan, so let's see how it goes. Well, I got it on there. We're getting ready to fire it up for the first time, see what it sounds like. By the way, I hate welding underneath the car. One day I'll have a lift where I can stand up and weld under the car if I need to weld, but I hate laying on my back welding underneath the car. Anyway, let's check out. I'm gonna put in a clip here of how it sounded before, then you'll hear how it sounds now right after. Well, I'm pleased with this. Stick around and we'll get a, next video we'll get a road driving video. So, thanks for watching. Till next time, I'm out of here.